welcome back to Easy Toddler Hairstyles. I'm Tiffany, this is Nova. We're here showing you another cute style today. So what we're doing is a side connected ponytail style with a braid that comes in the middle and connects up into a high messy bun. We originally did this style a couple years ago. It was inspired by Toddler Hair Ideas. She's over on Instagram, so if you aren't, go ahead and go give her a follow, and let's go ahead and get started. To start making a deep side part on the right, about halfway over that right eyebrow. It's going to consist probably of about 3 to 3.5 inches of hair from the part line to the ear. And I'm just going to loosely secure this section off for now because we're going to come back to it later. I'm going to take the remaining probably 2/3 to 3/4 of the hair, and we are going to put it into a high side ponytail. The ponytail is going to be about even with her ear, so that when you do the braid coming across from the smaller section, it will come right across into the side ponytail. I'm coming back to this smaller section that I parted off, and from here we're going to part it into 3 sections. This middle section I'm going to secure loosely out of the way for now. You can use an elastic or a clip. I find that loosely securing it with an elastic works well. The front section I am going to part into 2, and I'm going to start with a front ponytail. I'm just using water and spray gel to tame the flyaways, and then I'm going to direct the ponytail in the area that I want it to go. So I'm coming behind the ponytail and kind of directing it towards this second one. You don't want to just put the ponytail in wherever or from whatever angle because it's not going to lay as nicely. You'll see what I mean when I start doing the back ponytails. So connecting the first to the second, I'm now going to come to this back section and part this in half. And I'm going to come on the other side of her head now as I'm directing this ponytail going upward. So it stays a little bit flatter against her head if you direct it in the direction that you're going. So again, I'm going to come to the other side of her head, comb this section out, and then direct this bottom section or this bottom pony up into that second bottom ponytail, and then secure with an elastic. From here we just have our middle section left, so I'm going to take it out of the loose elastic I had it in. I'm going to add that second ponytail from the top and the second ponytail from the bottom to this middle section, and we're going to secure the ponytail kind of right in the middle of this middle section. From here we just have this one ponytail in the middle section. Again, water and spray gel are your friend to help keep the flyaways at bay. And then I'm just going to do a regular 3-strand braid across to the side ponytail. You could do a rope twist, you can add bubble ponytails, you can just pull the hair straight across. It's really up to you, and it can change the look of the style a lot. Once I've reached the side ponytail, I'm going to secure it with another elastic, and then we are just going to be doing a messy bun. So I'll wrap the hair around 2 or 3 times in another elastic so I have a couple inches. I'm going to wet the tail down so the hair is damp and I have more control of it. And then I'll just bring it through the middle and kind of wrap it around this little loop. I'll fan the hair out and then add an elastic. And from here I am just going to pin the rest of the hair in place where I want it. When her hair was shorter, I didn't really have to use bobby pins, but as it has gotten longer, I need to use bobby pins to keep it into place. I'm just going to add a bow from our bow boutique that we run and then give you a final spin of her hair. This is a great one for summer or active play. It stays really well and can even be used as a second day hairstyle. So that is it for our hairstyle today. We hope that you'll give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And be sure to join us every Friday for a new hairstyle tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. We hope you have a great week. Bye.